Hello everyone, I'm very glad to welcome you to this 61st International Congress of Statistics held here in Marrakesh, Morocco. I am very glad to welcome the president of the International Statistics Institute, Pedro Silva. Hello.
Hi.
Thank you for being here with us. First of all, would you like to summarize a little bit the work? I know it's a big work you're doing within the Institute, but briefly about the major work that you do in the ISI.
Well, the ISI is a very traditional scientific and professional society. This is our 61st Congress happening every 2 years. And this is one of our major activities, but besides the World Statistics Congress, we promote numerous other meetings, regional statistical conferences, workshops, training events. We publish journals, scientific journals and newsletters in our field. We are a family of 7 associations which cater also for target audiences interested in more specific topics in the broad area of statistics. We carry out capacity building activities, and basically we provide a very wide networking platform for the statistical community worldwide.
So who is your audience, and do you work closely with the Moroccan High Commission for Planning?
Yes. Our broad audience is everybody who has an interest in or likes statistics. We try to talk to as big an audience as possible, and we see these days statistics is very prominent in public debate in almost all areas of science, governance, society. You see statistics everywhere. This is our audience. Of course, we talk more closely to professional statisticians, scientists in our area, students, people who are trained to do statistics, but we also engage very frequently with the wider community of people who are just users of or interested in statistics. Regarding your second question, yes, we have worked very closely with the High Commission for Planning here in Morocco in preparation for this Congress. I myself have visited 4 times Morocco before this 5th time. I've been to Rabat and here in Marrakesh a number of times before in preparatory meetings which started in 2014.
Okay, so what are your expectations as the president of the ISI from this Congress?
Oh, it's a fantastic event for us. We have people coming here from all over the world. People who are engaged, who are presenting their contributions, who are here to discuss, to debate what they are working on, what they are finding, what the trends are for our subject. And it's a very interesting time for statistics, and it's great that we can gather here in Marrakesh. Besides the general outcome of our scientific congress, we hope we have a lasting impact also in Morocco, making statistics more well known to the population, to the people in government, in businesses, in society more generally. And having a congress here of this magnitude has certainly developed capacity here to prepare for it, to engage with the participants of the congress, and I hope everybody is as excited about it as I am.
Sure. Do you think that the progress made in the fields of statistics is capable of covering all, or at least most, of the development areas and challenges, like the ones related to the SDGs?
Yes, this is a very good question. I think statistics as a profession, as the science, as the technology of extracting information from data has made immense progress. And we have enabled humanity to learn a lot more about who we are, how we are doing, how much we are impacting the world and the environment with our actions and behavior. But still, there is so much to learn. And I think statistics is a fantastic learning tool and set of scientific principles that can enable people to learn faster and better about our environment, about our societies, businesses, the world. And we have done a lot, we have achieved a lot, but there is still a lot to be done. The United Nations has convened all the world leaders, and they have made pledges to the year 2030 to end poverty, to fight injustice, and to do it so that no one is left behind. These are immense challenges for countries, societies, everyone. And statistics has a great part to play in help monitor and measure how far we are doing, how well we are doing in reaching these targets. But yes, there's still lots to be done. And that's part of the excitement of a conference. We can advance the field, we can advance solutions for many of these pressing issues.
Absolutely, and since we're talking about the future, I would like to finish this interview with the future generation. I see a lot of young people participating and coming from far to be here and exchange with other statistics professionals. What is the place of the youth? Well, within this 61st Congress?
It's a prominent place. A lot of what we do, all the preparatory work, the convening of the event, we look at the future. We look at the future generations. That's why we offer very cheap registration rates for students. We hope to have attracted sufficient number of the younger generations to be here. We hosted earlier this morning a meeting of the Young Statisticians, entirely organized by the Young Statisticians Committee of the ISI. We have their participation in a number of sessions. The keynote speaker I invited for this event is a prominent, bright young statistician. We have also developed other activities during the week where they will be the leading people there. We also have a number of prizes and awards which are targeting this audience in the hope that they will take part, engage with the ISI, and by coming here and enjoying the experience of one of these events, that they can convey this message to their fellow countrymen and bring back nice stories to tell about the Congress and bring more of the younger generation into the core of the activities of the ISI and its associations.
Mr. Silva, thank you for being here with us, and I would like to wish you success and to the Congress and ISI as well. Thank you all for your attention.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.